The three biggest challenges in link building and SEO outreach are finding the right contacts, writing engaging and personalized emails, and automating the outreach, all while maintaining a high email deliverability. In this video, you'll see how Influno solves all of these challenges, helping you save time, improve reply rates, and scale your link building campaigns. The campaign setup begins by defining a clear purpose of what you want to achieve and what you're willing to offer in exchange in the first outreach. Link building and SEO is often a give and take process where people expect something in exchange, and our campaigns reflect this. For the contacts who don't reply, you can schedule follow-up emails, but instead of bumping the thread, you can add more value. This means you can strategically and systematically sweeten the deal with follow-ups. To scale your outreach volume, you can add as many sending email accounts as you want, both from Google Workspace and Outlook. This flexibility allows you to handle larger campaigns while maintaining a high email deliverability. Influno is designed to complement Ahrefs, SEMrush, or any other backlink analysis tool where you can extract domains. For example, you can use advanced filtering options in Ahrefs and export a list of target domains. Then simply import the entire referring domains column directly into Influno. There is no limit to the number of domains you can import. You can also import unlimited email addresses and LinkedIn URLs for specific contacts. Once the import starts, Influno identifies the most relevant contact for each domain, gathers their professional details, and finds their verified email address. Then it generates a unique and personalized outreach email for every contact. Each enrichment costs 1 search credit. By default, the campaign is created in manual outreach mode, so you can review and adjust each email individually before sending. Each email is automatically generated using several key inputs like the contact's personal and company information, your profile and company details, each campaign's purpose and call to action, what you're willing to offer within the campaign, and specified style and tonality guidelines. You can further customize the style and tone of your campaign emails by providing even more specific instructions. Once you're happy with the result, you can send the email immediately or schedule it for the best time. The scheduling algorithm optimizes for deliverability and engagement by considering the contact's working hours in their time zone, natural variation between emails sent from the same account, and gradually increasing the number of sent emails per day per account. Once you're consistently happy with the email tonality and quality, you can go back to the campaign and switch to automated outreach. As your outreach progresses, Influno automates sending follow-up emails for contacts who haven't yet replied. When the contact does reply, Influno instantly detects the reply, stops the follow-ups, and categorizes the reply as positive or negative, showing whether the contact is interested or not. As an organization owner, you have full visibility into all campaigns created by your team members. You can track each campaign's progress, monitor reply rates, and analyze sentiment across the board. For any specific campaign, you can explore detailed analytics, including the sending cadence and performance metrics. This is how Influno simplifies your SEO outreach by helping you to find the right contacts, generate personalized emails, and scale your link building campaigns, all while maintaining a high email deliverability. So whether you're an SEO outreach specialist or link building agency, Influno helps you to build better partnerships, acquire more backlinks, and increase your site traffic. So sign up for an account today and create your first campaign for free.